Welcome to the Eazyleadz walkthrough. The process of capturing leads and building a highly targeted list has never been this fast, easy, and seamless. Allow me to show you how it works. The first step is to sign in with your email and password, which will take you directly to your dashboard where all the magic happens. As you can see, we offer various options for converting traffic into loyal subscribers who are willing to repeatedly spend their money with you. Ranging from lead forms to lead funnels and lead pages you can deploy on your websites, landing pages, sales pages, and even social media in 60 seconds flat to capture buyer leads easily. Let's create a simple lead form, shall we? First, click on Create Lead Form, give your form a name, and click on Next. As you can see here, you can create from scratch or choose from hundreds of stunning and attention-grabbing lead form templates ready to go. These are lead magnets that cut across every niche you can think of. I'm positive you'll find something that suits you perfectly here. You can preview the template to get a feel of how it works, and click Select if you would like to use the template. Let's select this one. Looks good. You can easily edit this template as you see fit. Just click the Edit button right here, and you can adjust the lead type, text, image, or video, terms and conditions if you want, and hit Save and Close. You can also do the same for the thank you page. Adjust the text, add an image or video, add your link, and once you're done, save and close. If you're not satisfied with the theme color, you can easily change that right here with the Add Theme button. Finally, hit Publish and your lead form is ready to go. You can share your lead form on the various social media platforms when you click Share Funnel. Or you can choose to embed your lead form on your website or landing page. Just click on the Embed Funnel option. Here, you can embed your lead form on a page builder or website. All you need to do is copy the link, then simply paste it in the HTML section of your website's settings. Hit Save, and boom, it's done. Your lead form is now embedded on your website or page. Next, you can choose to embed your lead form as a pop-up. Simply adjust the pop-up settings as you see fit. Hit Reset Code, copy the link and paste it into your website settings, and then save. Now when visitors land on your site, they'll see your lead form as a pop-up. Or you might want to add your lead form as an announcement bar on your website. Simply adjust the text, background color, and font color to your taste. Don't forget to hit the Reset Code and then copy the link. Paste it in your website settings, and bam! Your announcement bar is right there for all your website visitors to see and interact with. Another option is to embed your lead form as a sticky button on your site. Once again, adjust the settings as you see fit. Hit Reset Code, copy the link, paste it into your website settings, and save. There it is, your lead form as a sticky button on your site. Or you can simply get a hosted link to share on your social media posts, and so on. Finally, the Show Leads option allows you to monitor your leads in real time. Once anyone signs up with your lead form, their details will be captured right here, and you can easily add them to your autoresponder. Just click on Add to List. Select your autoresponder, and your leads will automatically be added to your autoresponder directly from Eazyleadz. Moving on, let's create a lead funnel. Click on Create Lead Funnel. Once again, you can decide to create from scratch or pick from our wide selection of done-for-you lead funnel templates in every niche you can think of. This process is quite similar to creating lead forms. The only difference is the extra first step. Everything else is pretty much the same. Once again, you can choose to edit each step in your lead funnel to suit your preference. Adjust the text, image or video, link settings, theme color, and so on. When you're satisfied with everything, just hit Publish, and your lead funnel is ready to be shared on the various social media platforms or embedded on your websites, landing pages, sales pages, and so on. Finally, let's create a lead page. First things first, click on Create Lead Page, name your page, and hit Next. Now, you can go ahead and add any element you want. Add a headline or body copy, add an image or video. You can easily copy and paste a link from YouTube or Vimeo, or upload directly from your computer. Add a lead form, of course. You can even include a countdown timer to spike up some urgency. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Save. Go ahead and copy the link to your lead page. Now, you can use this link anywhere to convert traffic to loyal subscribers. That's it. Fast, easy, and seamless.